Let's learn how you can change your Facebook location settings. So let's start by opening our settings first. What we are going to do is open apps and find Facebook here. Now you need to click on location and you need to disable this precise location. Now you need to go back and open App Store. Now go to your profile, click on yourself, and here you want to change your country region. So set like whatever country you want. And then what are you going to do is offload the Facebook application. And after you offload it, it will restart on, for example, I set my country to Germany. Now when you offload the application, it will reset to Germany, and because you turned off precise location, it can't track your live location where you are exactly. So it will just assume you're somewhere in Germany. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.